Most people wouldn't leave their front door unlocked, yet they often leave their primary communication tool without any equivalent barrier. Because WhatsApp functions immediately after a download, it's easy to assume the account is secured by default. In reality, the standard configuration leaves several entry points open to anyone with your phone number. By adjusting 5 specific settings, you can close these gaps in about 5 minutes. This process isn't about complex hacking. It's about identifying where the app is open to the public and deciding to close it. The most significant threat occurs at the network level, where an account can be hijacked remotely. Attackers use a wrong number tactic, tricking you into forwarding the 6-digit SMS code sent to verify your identity. Once they have that code, you're locked out. The attacker can then message your contacts and impersonate you for financial gain. The defense against this is 2-step verification. Found under Settings, then Account, this feature requires you to create a custom 6-digit PIN that remains independent of any SMS code. Even if an attacker successfully intercepts your SMS verification, they cannot access the account without this secondary internal credential. Requiring this PIN ensures that the inherent risks of SMS-based verification do not result in a total loss of account access. Moving inward, we address the social perimeter. Having someone's phone number should not automatically grant them a window into your daily activity. By default, the app broadcasts your profile photo, your current status, and the exact time you were last seen online. You can find these options under Privacy Settings, where each data point can be managed individually. Restricting these to My Contacts or Nobody ensures you aren't sharing personal information with every stranger who happens to have your number. Changing these toggles takes your profile out of the public domain and limits it to the people you actually know. Another common vulnerability is being added to large group chats by unknown users without your permission. This doesn't just result in notifications, it exposes your active phone number to every other member of that group instantly. Within the group privacy settings, you can select My Contacts, which prevents anyone outside your address book from pulling you into a chat. With this active, an unknown user must send a private invitation, giving you the choice to join or ignore it. This simple change stops mass ad tools used by spammers and returns control over your group visibility to you. The final layer is the physical perimeter, protecting your messages when your phone is unlocked or out of your hands. The App Lock feature requires a fingerprint or Face ID check specifically to open WhatsApp, regardless of the phone's overall lock state. You can activate this at the bottom of the privacy menu, adding a local biometric gate to your conversations. There is also the issue of hardware resources. WhatsApp is set to automatically download every photo and video you receive. In the storage and data settings, disabling these automatic downloads prevents incoming media from consuming your local storage and cellular data. By requiring biometrics for access and manual approval for downloads, you decide how your device's memory and your personal data are used. These 5 adjustments replace the app's open default state with a more restricted architecture. High-level digital privacy often comes down to knowing which built-in features to turn on. You have now closed the primary entry points, ensuring your account and your data are only accessible by you.